Hello everybody! Welcome back! Andy is here. It's lesson 16, graphic puzzle. It's a puzzle and it's about graphics. Okay, let's use our observational skills to solve the problems. Ready? Let's go. The rectangular mirror was broken. Suddenly, which of the following pieces is missing in the given figure of this mirror? How do you do it? What's your first step? Do you have a solution? Have you already found it? Okay, so here we go. Let's try this. Let's make a rectangular, right? Make it a hole. So we draw a line here. Maybe it's not that straight, but you know the idea, right? If you have a ruler, that would be better. So after that, we notice something, right? We notice that this missing part has 4 lines, okay? So 4 lines. So A, is that okay? Only 3, not okay. And D, 5, not okay. So let's check B, C, E. What is the second condition we can have? Oh, we actually have this here. We notice this one, this one, this one, and this. They are all right angles, right? So let's get it in our brain and move it. So we notice that it's to the corner, right? So it should be a right angle, but this is not one. This is not one. So now E, not C, so it must be B, right? So this is how you find the missing part. Here we go. All right. So you know how to do it, right? First, find how many lines for this missing part. And then find another condition. We have right angle, okay? We have right angle. So it's over there. So it's up there. And then we just find one that meets the condition. That's B, okay? All right. So here we go. Let's try next one. Whoa! It looks like this is a bigger puzzle, okay? So Beatrice has a lot of pieces like the one in the picture. At least how many of these pieces do you need to make a square? Okay, how do we solve the problem? What is your approach? Have you actually solved this kind of problem before? All right, so let's think about it. So we need to make a square, right? A big square. And we notice that this piece is consisting of what? Many units of square, right? So how can we make a square? We need to make sure their size are equal, right? So we need to make sure their size are equal. We know from this basic one, we can actually do what? We know that there might be, we can use this one, right? As one unit, a square, the smallest. And then we have what? We have like 4, right? We put 4 together. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And we get a 4 units of square. And then we have what? We have 9, right? We have 9 units of square. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we have a 9. But here, we notice that we cannot easily, just have this kind of square, right? This is pretty easy, but this is not. So now, what should we do? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9, right? Unit squares here. And we have 9. Let's just try them, right? Let's try them out. We know the side, right? At least it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be having 5 unit squares, right? So it's 5, and then 5 times 5, we're gonna need 25 unit squares, right? So let's try 25 first. So we need 25, this kind of unit squares. We divide 25 by 9. We notice that it's not gonna be divided, right? It's not divisible completely, right? By 9. So we have what? We have 2 with a remainder of 7, right? So this definitely does not work, okay? Now let's try what? Let's try maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add one more, okay? Because we're trying to find a list, right? The list. We try to find the list like of the pieces, and we need to make a square, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We add one more. So 6 times 6, we need 36, right? Basic, we call it unit squares. So 36, let's try. Divided 36 by 9 equals what? Wow, it will be completely divided, right? We will have 4. So we might like have 4 pieces of this kind of piece, right? We have 4 pieces of this shape, okay? And let's just try to make one, right? If we can make one, that means we actually found the least pieces we need to make a square, right? So, but we don't know, okay? We still put a question mark here. We don't know, we just need to try, okay? So, if you, let's say, if you have a piece of paper and you can draw something on your piece of paper, you can use your scissor and cut it out, and you can click on pause for now, and then try it out for yourself, okay? Try to use 4, see if you can make a square, okay? And play it, okay? All right, so welcome back. So now let me show you something really cool. Move it, ta-da! We notice that it actually works, right? We can make a 36 units square, right? With 4 pieces of this kind of shape, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. So we solved the problem. I hope you already solved the problem by actually doing it by yourself, okay? All right, so this is about it. I hope you really enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye-bye.